Want to speak English fluently and talk about future events like a native? In this video, you'll learn 40 WH questions with answers in the future continuous tense, perfect for speaking, writing, and daily conversation. Let's practice together and boost your confidence in English. Are you ready? Let's begin. Structure of WH questions in future continuous tense. WH word plus will plus subject plus be plus ing form of the verb plus object. Always use be after will and ing form, present participle of the verb. 40 WH questions with answers in future continuous tense. What will you be doing at 8 p.m.?
I will be watching a movie.
Where will she be going tomorrow?
She will be going to the doctor.
Who will be driving the car?
My brother will be driving the car.
Why will they be studying all night?
They will be studying all night for their final exams.
What will he be eating for dinner?
He will be eating pasta.
When will you be leaving for school?
I will be leaving at 7 a.m.
Which book will she be reading next week?
She will be reading To Kill a Mockingbird.
Who will be cooking lunch?
My mom will be cooking lunch.
Where will we be staying during the trip?
We will be staying in a hotel near the beach.
Why will you be crying?
I will be crying because of the sad movie.
What will the kids be playing at the party?
They will be playing musical chairs.
Who will be speaking at the seminar?
The principal will be speaking.
Where will she be working next month?
She will be working in a bank.
What will you be learning in class?
We will be learning about the solar system.
Why will they be shouting?
They will be shouting in excitement.
Who will be singing at the concert?
A famous singer will be performing.
What will we be doing this weekend?
We will be going on a road trip.
Where will the students be going on Monday?
They will be going to the science museum.
Which team will be playing in the final?
Brazil will be playing against Argentina.
Who will be helping you with your homework?
My sister will be helping me.
What will she be wearing to the event?
She will be wearing a red dress.
Why will they be laughing?
They will be watching a funny movie.
What will the teacher be explaining in the lecture?
She will be explaining the past perfect tense.
Where will you be shopping tomorrow?
I will be shopping at the mall.
Who will be visiting you next week?
My uncle will be visiting.
What will he be fixing in the garage?
He will be fixing his bike.
Why will she be calling you?
She will be calling to invite me.
Where will they be eating lunch?
They will be eating at the food court.
What will your friends be doing during the summer break?
They will be traveling to Europe.
Who will be watching the kids?
The babysitter will be watching them.
Why will the baby be crying?
The baby will be hungry.
Where will the team be practicing?
They will be practicing at the stadium.
What will you be preparing for the picnic?
I will be preparing sandwiches.
Who will be managing the project?
Mr. Smith will be managing it.
What game will the boys be playing?
They will be playing cricket.
Where will the birds be flying in the morning?
They will be flying to the south.
Who will be using the laptop tonight?
My brother will be using it.
What will the workers be building?
They will be building a bridge.
Why will you be traveling next week?
I will be attending a family wedding.
What show will you be watching tonight?
I will be watching a new episode of my favorite drama.
Great job! Now you know how to ask and answer WH questions in the future continuous tense. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment your favorite question below. More fun grammar and speaking lessons are coming your way. Until next time, keep learning and keep improving your English. Thanks for watching.